Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all of you and Jai Mata Di. Dear students, last time I taught you past continuous tense, interrogative and negative. Today I will teach you very important chapter, that is a question word of past continuous tense. So let's look on the whiteboard. What is the formula? Formula is QW, means question word, plus was and were. Okay, dear students. Then subject, then फर्स्ट फॉर्म में ing, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. We are also calling is fourth form of the verb. Then object, and at the last we have to find we have to put the question mark. So dear students, in question mark today we will learn what means kya, okay, where means kahan, and when means kab, why means क्यों, and how means कैसे. So this is a formula of these. Okay dear students, इनके साथ ही हम इस फार्मूले का यूज करते हैं. Understand? Now we will think about the questions. How will be the questions? So first question I am going to write. आप कल क्या कर रहे थे? क्या कर रहे थे? Okay. So how can we recognize this is a question word? We are finding in the middle of the Hindi sentence that is kya, and it indicates that this is a question word. For kya we are writing what, okay, and what is the subject? Subject is you here. Then we will select were. What were you करने के लिए do, then add ing. What were you doing yesterday? At the last we have to put the question mark, which I have already told you that this indicates that this is a question. So what were you doing yesterday? You have to also repeat the sentences as I am telling you. What were you doing yesterday? What were you doing yesterday? Now second, वह रात में कहाँ जा रहा था? कहाँ जा रहा था? And then the first thing is that we have to recognize that what is the question word here. We are finding kahan, and kahan is here. So what should we write? We should write where. Where, and what is the subject? Where. Where was he जाने के लिए going, और रात में yesterday, and question mark. एक बार we have to repeat. Where was he going yesterday? Again speak. Where was he going yesterday? Now the third sentence is तुम मुझे कब कॉल कर रहे थे? Again, this one कब, this is a question word, and what is here कब? We should write when. Okay dear students, so when, subject you, we will write were. When were you? Here we are finding the verb call. We have to add ing, then calling. When were you calling? And here me. when were you calling me? You can also add the time if you want to add the time. When were you calling me? Yesterday night. Then question mark is compulsory. Next sentence is वह पार्टी में ज्यादा क्यों खा रहा था? ज्यादा क्यों खा रहा था? So dear students, this one is telling that this is a past continuous and क्यों is telling that this is a question word, and for क्यों we are writing why. Okay, subject is he. Why was, then he, खाना eat, ing, why was eating too much or much in the party? Okay, why was he eating much in the party? You can also say why was he eating too much in the party. Now one is also remaining. वह क्लास में कैसी दिख रही थी? कैसी दिख रही थी? Again, what is first? The first is कैसी. Here I have written only कैसा. You can also read कैसी. There are two meaning of how. Okay. So first thing we have to do how. कैसी was she दिखना looking in the class. How was she looking in the class? So dear students, I have made 5 sentences on the whiteboard. Now it's turn to tell you that how to answer up the questions. So look at the first. What were you doing yesterday? You have to ask the question. The speaker, who is speaker, that he will just tell you questions. What were you doing yesterday? So whenever we answer of the question that you convert into I, and we are using was. Okay, this you convert into I, and the sentence become I was. And which work you are doing, you have to mention here. What were you doing yesterday? I was reading newspaper yesterday. Okay, here we have to mention the verb which you were doing. So what were you doing yesterday? I was reading newspaper yesterday. Again, you have to speak with fluent. What were you doing yesterday? So you have to tell I was reading newspaper yesterday. Now the second is वह रात में कहाँ जा रहा था? Where was he going yesterday? At night. I haven't written here रात में. Okay dear students, then I mention here at night. At night. Okay, where was he going yesterday at night? So you have to answer he will come before was. So he was going to temple yesterday night. Okay, you can also say like this. You can say he was going to temple yesterday at night. Yeah, or you can say that yesterday night. So again you have to, where was he going yesterday night? So you have to, he was going to attend the meeting yesterday night. Again, where was he going yesterday night? He was going to attend the meeting yesterday night. Now next is, when were you calling me? Again, when were you calling me? You will convert into I and we will use I was. Okay, whenever we answer up the questions. So when were you calling me? I was calling you at 10 p.m. Again, when were you calling me? I was calling you yesterday at 10 p.m. and you didn't receive the call. I don't know what were you doing. Just I need your answer. Now next is, why was he eating much in the party? Okay, why was he eating much in the party? Again, why was he eating much in the party? So we have to answer. He was eating very much in the party because he was very hungry, and he didn't take food before 2 days also. Okay. Again, why was he eating much in the party? So he was eating very much in the party because he was very hungry. Okay. Now next is, how was she looking in the class? How was she looking in the class? How was she looking in the class? So she was looking very nice in the class. She was looking very beautiful in the class. She was looking very beautiful in the class. Dear students, these were the question words. These are very important. We have to just learn and just keep in our mind. You have to also repeat again and again. So dear students, this chapter is going to be stopped today. I am going to stop here today, and definitely I will meet you tomorrow. Jai Mata Di. Have a nice day.